In this video, I am going to show you how to pick the right category for your products. Every product has a category with similar products grouped to meet customer needs. This is essential to help customers find the needed product. Now let's create a new product in our shop, in this case, a black dress. Click on Add a new product on your vendor center. Next, add the correct product images, according to Jumia Product Image Guidelines. Add the correct product name with the correct color. Once you click on Category, you'll be redirected to the category page. Scroll to the correct category, or search for the correct category at the top. Remember, products should be placed in the correct category so that a customer can find it.